Robot vacuums have become a common home appliance for people who want cleaner floors with less daily effort. Over the past few years, these machines improved fast. Modern robot vacuums do more than just vacuum. Many map your rooms, avoid obstacles, empty their dustbins into a base station, and even mop. That makes them helpful for busy homes, people with pets, and anyone who prefers to cut down on chores. There are many products available to choose robot vacuums, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best robot vacuums from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Roomba S9 Plus focuses on raw cleaning power and edge cleaning performance. Its D-shaped body and corner brushes are designed to get closer to doorways and corners compared with round robots. The S9 Plus has among the strongest suction in iRobot's lineup, which helps pull embedded dirt from carpet fibers and lift pet hair. Like the J7 Plus, the S9 Plus comes with a self-emptying clean base station in the bundled versions, so the robot can run many cycles without manual emptying. Mapping and navigation use iRobot's VSLAM, producing accurate multi-floor maps and zone scheduling. The app provides customization by room and supports keep-out zones. It also integrates with smart home assistants for voice control. Number 2. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is Roborock's high-end model with an Ultra docking station that handles multiple jobs automatically. The station can self-empty dust, refill the water tank, wash and dry mop pads, and store fresh water. The vacuum uses a liftable dual brush which can be raised to prevent mop dragging on carpets, and a sonic mop module for better scrubbing of tough stains. Suction ratings on Roborock's flagship models are typically high, and the S8 Pro Ultra continues that trend, suitable for mixed homes with both hard floors and carpets. Navigation is strong. Litter mapping gives reliable room maps, precise route planning, and multi-floor memory. Obstacle avoidance is supported by cameras, sensors that reduce bumping and tangles. Number 3. Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra combines robust vacuuming power with advanced obstacle avoidance and an Ultra-style dock. Roborock's Reactive AI 2.0 uses a combination of cameras and AI to identify common obstacles and navigate around them, which improves reliability in cluttered homes. The model also includes the empty wash-fill dock that automates dust emptying and mop care. A standout feature is the S7 family's sonic mop technology that vibrates the mop pad for better scrubbing of dried or sticky spills. The MaxV Ultra adds stronger suction, improved sensors, and more autonomous dock functions compared with earlier S7 models. Mapping is litter-based, creating accurate floor plans and allowing room-by-room cleaning. Number 4. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. ECOVACS has a large range of models, and the DEEBOT X series sits toward the more feature-rich end. The X11 and related Omni models combine strong suction, advanced mapping, and an integrated station that handles vacuuming and mop washing. ECOVACS uses true mapping, litter, plus AI/VI or 3D obstacle awareness in many models to improve navigation and object detection. These robots usually include an Omni or similar station that can self-empty, wash mop pads, and sometimes provide hot air drying to reduce odors. They also support voice assistance and have a feature set aimed at near hands-free operation. Cleaning performance is generally strong on hard floors and good on average carpets, and the machines are often priced competitively against other flagship systems. Number 5. DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. DREAME makes robot vacuums that emphasize strong suction and precise litter navigation. The L10s Pro and the newer L10s Pro Ultra variants add more autonomous features, higher suction ratings, and dock functions such as hot water mop washing and heated drying on some Ultra dock versions. The L10s Pro family is built for people who want strong pickup for pet hair and dirt, plus reliable routing for efficient cleaning routes. DREAME's mapping tends to be accurate and the app supports no-go zones and room-specific scheduling. The Ultra Style dock reduces manual mop cleaning and dust emptying, which matters if you want a low-touch solution. As always, check the exact SKU on Amazon, because DREAME offers multiple bundles and dock combinations. Features change between standard and Ultra packages. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.